Hi guys, welcome to another vegan grocery haul. So let's start with produce, okay? So we got 3 zucchinis, courgettes, as some of you may call them. We also have a cucumber. We have a lot of red onion. Okay, we love some red onion. 2 things of broccoli. We have 2 things of celery. Okay, I bought organic celery. Who am I? I don't even know. So I bought organic celery because I kind of want to try making celery juice again. Just a couple times. My skin has been, not the best. Okay, so I'm like, okay, maybe I should have some celery juice. Apparently that cures everything. Remember that time when everybody was like obsessed with celery juice? Well, I don't know. Anyway, I bought 2 things of organic celery for that reason, which cost me $1 million. Okay. And then I got this kale and 3 bell peppers. Okay. And we also have some mushrooms. Yay. Okay, so that's it for the produce. Now I have a few other things. Well, a bunch of other things. So I also got some white wine vinegar. I've never tried this brand of white wine vinegar, but yeah, I love a little wine vinegar. We also have some Dijon mustard, some roasted sesame oil. You guys know this stuff is so good. I call this Korean crack, although I think this is a Japanese brand. Next, I have some vegetable bouillon cubes. Love these. I use these for everything. We also have 2 things of hummus. We have roasted red pepper hummus and traditional hummus. This was like 2 for something. I think it was like 2 for $9 or something like that, which apparently is cheap nowadays. So there's that. I also got some soft tofu. I got 2 blocks of soft tofu, although this one apparently is expiring in like 2 days, which is kind of dumb, but I mean, it doesn't actually expire, let's be real, okay? And then we also have some firm tofu or extra firm tofu. I got 2 of these as well. Yee. I got some coffee because I ran out. This one was a bit expensive, but I do like some Italian coffee. I think this is Italian. Is it Italian? And then, of course, the canned goods. You can't forget about the canned goods. Once again, I am hoarding chickpeas because I go through them so fast. I got 4 cans of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, okay? And I also got 1 can of red kidney beans. Always, I like to have canned beans around. It is just so convenient. Such a good source of protein and just awesome and very affordable as well. I also got a can of diced tomatoes, and it's been a while since I've had hearts of palm because it has been so expensive. Like this stuff, I don't know how much it is in your countries, okay? But here in Canada, recently I've been seeing this for like $6 a can. Like what in God's name are you even talking about? But this one was like a little bit cheaper. I think it was like $4 and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get some because I do really like hearts of palm. But yeah, it's definitely a treat nowadays because apparently everything's so expensive. Whoops, this belongs over here. But I also got some grape tomatoes. And then we got some frozen items. We got 2 bags of edamame. I always like to get the peeled ones. It's just easy, and I always need to have edamame at all times, okay? It is a necessity. And then we also have frozen green peas. And there you go. There is my haul. Oh, wait. I also got toilet paper. I got a big thing of toilet paper. And there's the haul. Okay. And the total cost of all this without any delivery fee, additional fees, was $122.80 Canadian. What do you guys think? Was that a good deal? What do y'all think? Let me know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this impromptu grocery haul. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll link my grocery haul playlist down below as well. Definitely check that out to see all my grocery hauls from the past. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.